APT is a Korean drinking game.
It's a game where you're sitting in a circle with your friends. You call out the floor of the apartment if it's your game. So I would be like, APT, 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 and everyone has to stack their hands in the middle. And if I say like 7th floor, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The person who lands on the 7th floor takes the shot. It's really simple, but the fun part of it is that it's like a chant, and I think people really enjoy that. Everyone just screams like, APT, APT. That's the fun part, and it's good because it gets everyone like kind of together instead of like just sitting in the seats.